This is another My Jeep update. I temporarily sealed off the sunroof to stop water leaks. The new Dana 35 break-in is going great so far, just under 80 miles. Nancy and I sealed off the sunroof, and I'm doing a water test to check for leaks. She's inside taking video. The last time I tried this, I had water pouring in at the front corners of the sunroof. I'm not sure, but I may have had the sunroof not properly closed. Nancy couldn't find any water coming in anywhere, and I checked it out later and found no wet spots. This is just a temporary fix. I just don't have time to get to the sunroof right now. Too many other things to deal with. I was not planning on additional problems coming up with this suspension. Also, a code P0455 just popped up, and I got to check that out. Evap system, gross leak.
You think we got it sealed?
Probably, because I don't see no leaks.
Okay.
And I went around a couple times.
Okay, and you...
So I will be looking into this evap code that popped up. Luckily, I can still get to everything pretty easy. And here's the zone sway bar end links I ordered from eBay. Should be here by the 10th, Monday. These claim to be made for lifted Jeeps. We'll see. Hopefully when I get the parts in, I could get the sway bar squared away. When I get this suspension right, I need to retorque all suspension nuts and bolts while all 4 tires are on the ground. And thanks BT for pointing out the problem with the sway bar pointing in the wrong direction. Hey, bring me another damn Jeep, boy!